In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Warzone Private Match with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a custom Warzone Private Match. You will be able to play only between you and people that you invite, and it is super simple to set up. So all that you have to do is from the home screen or the Call of Duty headquarters, just scroll down until you find Warzone, where you can browse through all the main modes. So you have Featured, Resurgence, Battle Royale, and if you keep going all the way to the right, eventually you will be able to find Private Match custom games. So this is what we're looking for. So one of you who is going to be playing will have to create the match and everyone else is going to join. So if you are going to be the one hosting the match, just go over here, create private match. It doesn't matter who does it, you just need someone to host it. And then you can choose between all of these modes. So solos, duos, trios, quads, and then you will be able to set up this last one, WSOW trios. Now, when you choose any of these modes and you load it into the lobby, you will be able to either spectate or join it. So choose this option here, join squad. Now, the most strict requirement is going to appear. Sadly, if you want to set up a Warzone private match, you will need 50 players, which is an insane number. So let's say you only had a squad of 10 people. Unfortunately, it is going to be impossible to set it up. This is a requirement put into place by Activision, and a lot of players have expressed that they don't like this very strict requirement. A lot of people, basically anyone, isn't going to have 50 players to fill out the lobby, so as it stands today, you will only be able to do it if you are able to get 50 people in. Now, I'm still going to show you how to do it, but like I said, this is going to be the strict requirement. If you aren't able to get 50 people in this lobby, then sadly, you will not be able to play. Now, you will get this game code, and all that the people who are going to be joining you have to do is go back, and they will be able to choose the option to join the match. So when they go over to join, instead of hosting, they will be able to enter the code here. So just make sure that you try to set up a match, maybe share around in the comments, try to look for communities who want to play Warzone, and try to set up a big custom game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Warzone private match with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.